Hello again everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to answer a question that quite a lot of you have, which is, how come when I put kajal in my eyes it looks small? Well, I'm going to show you exactly why and how to change that. So a lot of people ask then, why does this kajal make my eye look smaller? And the answer to that is that if you only put your kajal on the inside of your eye, you don't bring it a little bit outwards and you don't blend it out, it becomes a stopping point, and unless you have incredibly large eyes, it tends to make your eye look just a little bit more shut down. But if you put a little shimmer, like a bronzy shimmer under your eye, and blend that outwards, pushing your kajal into it, then your eye will open up. So I'm going to show you. On one eye, I'm just going to put my kajal, and on the other eye, I'll show you the trick. So this is Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer in Blackest Black. I like it because it's just a twist up. First, I'm lining my upper lash line. So that waterline that is underneath your lashes, just kind of push your black into your lashes above. That in itself already gives you quite a lift. And now we're going to get in here and just put in our kajal. Right? Now you can see, as my eye goes red, that this gives this sort of pushed up effect. I don't know if you can see that, right? And even though I already have a little bit of, structure around my eyes because I did mascara. Now here I'm going to show you when I do a structure around the eye, how that changes, and you'll see how much bigger the eye looks. I'm going to show you City Mini palette, and I'm going to show you a whole eye with that coming up soon. So this is in Rooftop bronzes, and I'm going to use these bronzes around my eye first. So what you want is a small eyeshadow brush. I have talked about this many times. This is the Morphe M508 brush. If you can't find this, you can use any one of your lip brushes or indeed a cotton bud. I'm going to go into the darkest brown, or in fact, perfect. With the City Mini palette comes a small little brush, just like I'm talking about. So we're going to use the dark brown, and we're going to just come under the lashes. So push up these lashes. I already have mascara on, but get right at the base of those lashes, and you can just think of this as poking the base of your lashes with this brownie bronze. Try and get right up there. So sort of get under the lash, get to its root, and just go dot, 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 dot. The closer in you get, the closer to the base of the lashes, the better it's going to be. So you can see we've given ourselves this structure. Soften it up, of course. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bronzier, softer bronze color. I'm going to put that on my brush, and I'm going to soften this out. So I'm not going to cover it completely, but I'm going to touch its edge and soften the bronze out. And if you just smile at yourself, you get an idea of the shape that your eye wants you to create. See? Just smile and you can see which bit of your under eye wants to get moody. The last thing you want to do is you want to take the brighter golds, peaches. You just want to brighten this under eye. So I'm just going to put my finger in this peachy gold and this gold. You can see I'm creating a structure that is fading outwards. Now I'm going to brighten my inner eye, which always looks good, and then the top of my cheekbone, hitting the highlight here, and then slowly coming up to meet my bronze line here. So now you get this really pretty fade out with a nice clean inside and a nicely highlighted eye. Now you bring in your kajal and watch the magic unfold. Kajal time, here we go. Push it into your roots of your lashes. Now, don't let there be a gap. See where that bronze makeup was? You want to push your kajal into that bronze. Now, this shelf will help you keep your kajal from smearing, as I've demonstrated before, not in an untidy way. So as it smears out, it'll look amazing. Just kind of push it into the beginnings of that bronze. Anywhere where you think you can see a break in the smokiness. Yeah? And then what we're going to do is we're going to just run our finger along, and you can see the sort of browny, bronzy colors that we're playing with over here. Can you see this sort of effortless fade out? Right? And now when you hit your eyes with mascara, to open them up, I have light mascara on. Let's go to town now. I love to get a little black at the roots. I think that looks really yummy. And you can see how much bigger this eye looks and pulled out, and how this eye is looking pushed in. So it's not really about kajal doesn't suit me or kajal makes my eyes look small. What it is about is not 100% understanding the structures as they should behave. And now once you've sort of got your mascara and your kajal, you want to again pick up that small brush, and I'm going to dip it into the brown and the bronze, and I'm just going to make sure that this is the shape I want it to be, and to make sure that the black is bleeding out well but not too far. And then again with the peach from this kit, just brighten up the inside, cheekbone, and tidy. Boom! You see the difference between one and the other. I hope this quite literally opened your eyes to how kajal can be made to work for you. So experiment with tones, experiment with your shape, and have fun with it, because I feel like this moody sort of under eye situation, it's one of the quickest way to upgrade your look. Please subscribe and like, and I hope that you're finding our content useful. Do leave us any requests in the comment section, and we'll be sure to get to it as soon as we can. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye guys.